Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to create a new project in NoodleTools and cite database articles in our bibliography. First off, from the project screen, I'm going to click the green New Project button, title my project Civil Rights, and make sure that I select the citation style for MLA and the citation level is Starter. I'll click the Submit button. And here's my dashboard for that project. Next, I want to go to the Sources tab at the top of the screen. And this is where I'm going to add in my database articles. To do that, I'll click the green Create New Citation button, select the database, and notice it gives me several options for what kind of database it is. Most of the databases you'll be citing are reference sources, so I'd recommend clicking that. If you find out later on that you've used a different kind of database, you can always change it. Now, NoodleTools gives you the option of entering all this information in about the source that you read, or you can copy and paste the citation directly from the database, and that's what we're going to do today. So click the Copy and Paste a Citation link to get this screen, and now I'll go back to my article and copy the citation information from there. First, I'll go to an article from the Britannica Encyclopedia, and the citation information in these articles is always under this symbol right here, the box with the check mark in it. I'll click that, and I get a 3-line citation down here, 2 lines of the citation and then the URL. And I'm going to copy and paste those in 2 parts. First, the 2-line citation, Command-C to copy. Now I'll go back to NoodleTools and paste it in this box right here using Command-V. 2 fields down, you'll see this URL box. Now I want to go back to my article and copy just the URL into that box. Command-C and Command-V. You can also enter an annotation if you'd like, and that's just a brief description of what information is contained in the article. When you're all done, you can click the green Submit button. And here is what that first citation looks like. Now, the reason we did it in 2 parts is that you don't need the URL as part of your bibliography, but if you ever want to get back to that article without having to search it again, you can do it right from here by clicking this link, View Live Web Page, so you don't have to recreate your search to get back to your original article. I want to show you next how to cite an article from the Gale databases, so we'll follow the same steps: create new citation, database, and reference source. And then we're going to copy and paste a citation. Here is my article on the civil rights movement from the Gale databases. Their pre-formatted citations are always at the bottom of the article. And notice they give it to you in 2 parts as well. The citation and the URL are separate. And we will copy and paste those in separately into NoodleTools, just like we did the first one. And now for the URL, Command-C and Command-V. I don't want to include an annotation, so I'll just click the green Submit button. And now I've got my second source, and again, if I ever need to get back to that article, I can click the View Live Web Page link and get right back there. So that's how you cite a database article. If you have any questions about how to do this, please check with your librarian. Thanks.